In line with our mission to welcome in, build up, and reach out, we have been tasked with making a recommendation regarding the projection screen in our sanctuary. This temporary screen that was installed to facilitate worship during COVID has served us well. It aligns our in-person worship experience with what we're streaming beyond our walls, and its continued use demonstrates an ongoing need being fulfilled. There is, however, a need to improve visibility within the entire sanctuary and a desire to improve the aesthetic, and cables on the floor pose an ongoing risk. This committee has researched alternatives and has a proposal to place before the council and the congregation. Several contractor vendors were contacted, and 4 proposals were received. As shown here, different positions were considered. Position A is recommended for the following reasons. It provides space for greater dimensions, and it interferes less with other worship elements. Well, how would this be laid out in our sanctuary? Well, everything above the red lines here will be in the audio room. And between the lines, those components will be either mounted on the wall or suspended from the ceiling. And the screens will, of course, be on the front walls. We received proposals from 4 vendors spanning a wide spectrum of solutions and cost, and the names and details will be available at the narthex table. We're recommending vendor number 4. So what's included in this proposal? Well, New Life Electronics will provide 2 projectors, 2 lenses sized for the distance between the wall mount and the screens, 2 motorized screens, 72 inches high and 116 inches wide, and the installation of the projectors and the screens. RCRC will provide the screen computer, which we already have, a video signal splitter, which we'll need to acquire, 2 video media converters, one we already have and one we'll have to get, and the power circuits for the projectors. New Life Electronics actually provided 2 proposals. Proposal 1 is for motorized screens, which can be retracted when not in use, and Proposal 2 is for fixed screens. So how can you help? Well, consider this proposal prayerfully. If you have questions, talk with your elder or deacon or with any member of the Sanctuary Screen Committee listed below. And since Council is considering this proposal, please attend the congregational meeting on November 15th to learn more. Thank you.